This conference will now be recorded.
The features of Java. So whenever I'm talking about features, sir, why we need to talk about the features? So directly we can go into the programming, no? So directly we can start running the program and doing all the stuff. Why we need to talk about these features? So whenever about features, I'm talking about the specialities. Okay, I'm talking about what? I'm talking about the specialities. So specialities of program. Specialities of what? Specialities of the Java program. Specialities of what? Java program. So whenever I'm talking about specialities, so generally now you buy a phone. Yes. Now before buying the phone, what generally you see? You see what is the company, what are its features, so what is the speciality, what is the RAM size, how much capacity it can store, what is the camera, okay, so how much video clarity is there. All this you do some research, no? So we'll do a small size research basically. Okay, we will watch YouTube videos. We will watch our friends' response. Yes. So we will be doing all this kind of stuff. 4 5 shops we will be roaming at last. Like if we buy offline, we will be roaming 3 or 4 shops, and we will be comparing the prices. So much things we will do. Yes or no? So కాలేజ్ వెతకడానికన్నా ఫోన్ కోసం మనం బాగా తిరుగుతాం. Okay, college we will leave it to our parents or somebody, so they will take care. But this we will try to have the best. Yes or no? Means when you understand the specialties, when you understand the features of any programming language, the usage becomes easy. Literally speaking, the usage becomes easy. So that is why we need to learn this. So I'll tell you, this is some kind of theoretical understanding of the thing, but still I'll make it interesting, and I will make it useful for you, literally. Okay, so that's what I can do from my end. So let's start with the first feature. Okay, so what do I mean by feature? First of all, features means the specialities of Java program. So first speciality is going to be simple and easy to understand. Simple and easy to understand. So what is the first feature, sir? We are talking about we are going to talk about uh, simple and easy to understand. So whenever I'm saying any programming language or anything which is simple, I am talking about program being easy to understand, easy to develop, easy to write. See, first step, designing the program, that is everyone can do. Everyone can think about the program, but the main skill is writing the program. Yes or no? So Java makes it easier for you. Java makes it easier for you to write the program. Yes. How, sir? How it will make it easy for us? Okay. So Java uses the basic character set components. Basic character set components or tokens. Okay, so basic character set components or tokens. So what I'm talking about here, Java is simple and easy to understand. So Java will be made to use the basic character set tokens or the components. So you can say tokens or components, whatever we call it. So uses the basic character set. So what do I mean by the basic character sets are here? Basic character set means simply A to Z, small a to z, okay, so 0 to 9, and all the symbols. So these are all the things that are available. So these are all the things that are available for us to go for the program. So our program components will be made from this one. So there are no other characters like French characters, Greek characters, no. So everything from this character set only. So that is why things will become easy. Things will become easy. When you develop, things will become easy. Why, sir? How, sir? Things will become easy because the character sets are from this only. The tokens or the components of the program are from this only. So we will not be having any big things to understand in the initial stages. Getting my point? Is that clear? So that is why Java is easy. So Java uses the basic character set tokens. Okay, right. So tokens means components. Components means data, right? So how you put the data, how you put the program, okay, so how you make the program. So all this will be the tokens, all the components. Now, for example, what are the components of this class? If I say, if I ask you simply, what you will say? So trainer, student, chairs, projector, speaker, AC, what are these? These are components. Suppose we are writing a program, so in that program also you will have some components. So what the components are made up of? The components are made up of this tokens only. Components are made up of these tokens only. Getting my point or not? Yes. కనబడుతుందా? First. Okay. Now, now the basic understanding of the program comes from this. Okay. Now next thing is, sir, will if we write a program something like this, will the programmer, I mean, will the system understand? Will the system understand? So system will not understand whatever you write. System will not understand whatever you write. So system will understand only zeros and ones. That's it. Why sir like that? System is a, I mean, the computer is a machine which will understand only binary sort of language, binary codes. Is that clear? Yes or no? Sir, you wrote this like this, fine, super, excellent. But will the system understand? System will not understand all this. It converts everything. Yes, so we will see that conversion. But before that, you understood the first point. What is why Java is easy? First point, because it is made from the basic character set. Okay. So Java uses all the previous program components. Okay, so Java uses almost all the previous program components. So previous programs means what, sir? C, C++, etc. Like C, C++. Okay, so generally whenever people talk about Java, no, what they'll say, actually, so they will say that, okay, now first C came into the picture. Okay, then later C++. Okay, C++ evolved from C language. Now Java is a programming language which is evolved from C and C++. Yes, so Java uses all the previous components, program components like C and C++. So it will use C and C++ only. So the basic things will be taken from here. OOP concept will be taken from here. But sir, when I learned C, C was very difficult. Why, sir? C was very difficult because it had the concepts like pointers, okay, so templates and all those things. All those things made C and C++ very tough to understand. So that is why Java, what they have done, they have taken out some of the components. Okay, so they have taken off completely some of the components. Okay, some of the components, some of the components are completely taken out from Java, such as pointers. So those people who know C, C++, pointers is an important concept. Pointers is a very important concept. So without pointers, C we can't write. So that is why pointers was very very important. So there pointers is important, but that pointers is not there. Okay. So pointers, go to statements. Okay, so go to statements and something like templates, etc. So these are completely taken away. Means they made it easy. They made it easy to write. So that is why it is simple. Try and understand the point here. Why it is simple and easy to understand? First point, it is made from the basic character set. Second point, so the previous, it is developed from the previous concepts only, right? Previous concepts only are there. No, nothing new is there. And third thing is, some of the unimportant components are taken out, like pointers, templates. Okay, so these are the things that are completely taken away from where? Taken away from Java. Understanding my points? Is my point clear or not? Okay. Next. So understood the first feature. What is the first feature? Simple and easy to understand. Yes or no? Okay. Second. Now just now I told you, whatever language you write, like Java, Python, the system won't understand it directly. The system won't understand it directly. So what has to be done? It has to be converted. Okay, before conversion, we will try and understand. Java is a high level language. Java is what? High level language. What is Java, sir? A high level language. What is Java? High level language. As it is developed using the character set, basic character set, and must be converted. Must be what? Must be converted into what? Machine level. To convert it into which level? Machine level. Using compilers or interpreters. Using compilers or interpreters. Getting my point? Okay. Now, how can I know, sir, this conversion? How can I know? Okay. Now, let's say I have a number. Okay. Before going to this high level to low level, I want to tell you about memory in computer. So, as I've told you, I will make it interesting for you. Memory in computer programming. Now, always remember the basic units of computing are 0 and 1. What are the basic units of computing? 0 and 1. So, what are these 0 and 1 called, sir? 0 and 1 are called bits. 0 and 1 are called what? Bits. Bits means what? Binary digits. Bits means what? Binary digits. Getting my point? So, what are bits? Bits means binary digits. Is it clear? So 0 or 1. So what is 0? What is 0? Binary digit. What is 1? Binary digit. What is bit? Binary digit. Binary digit. Yes or no? So 0 and 1 are the minimum units of memory. Minimum. Is it clear up to here? Okay. Now, computer can store minimum 1 byte of memory. Computer can store how much? Minimum 1 byte of memory. Sir, what is suddenly with bytes, sir? Byte means 8 bits. Byte means what? 8 bits. Is it clear? 1 byte means how much? 8 bits. Sir, what do I mean by 8 bits, sir? Okay, let me tell you. Now, let me take something like 47. What is this? 47. Okay, so what I'm taking? 47. Now, 47 is the basic character set only, no? Basic character set means it is something from the numbers. Now, this is not understood by the program. So then what it has to be done? It has to be converted into ones and zeros. Yes. Now, if I have to convert this into ones and zeros, I will use the division remainder theorem. What is the theorem? Division remainder theorem. So what is this division remainder theorem, sir? Exactly speaking. Division remainder theorem means, so now for example, okay, why it is not getting out now? Fine, no problem. So division remainder theorem means so 247. Okay. So whenever I'm saying 247, here is it not working. Okay. So 2 2 is 4. Okay. 23 generally. So 23 twos are 46. What is remaining? 1 is remaining. Okay. We'll keep that 1 here. So next 2 11s. How much? 22. How much is remaining? 1. So 2. How much is remaining? 1. 2 twos. What is remaining? 1. 2 ones. Okay. 0. So I'll keep 0 here, 1 here. Okay. 0 and 1. So until I get 1 or 0, I'll go on. Okay. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But what I told you, minimum 8 bits. This is only 6 bits, no? Minimum 8 bits. So what can I do, sir? Two zeros, because it is a positive number. Because it is a positive number. As it is a positive number, what you have to do? You have to keep two zeros. Sir, what to do with negative number? I'll tell you later. Right? So I'll tell you later. Don't worry. Now you understood how 47 is converted. You understood now how 47 is converted by doing the division remainder theorem. So whatever you are writing in a program, irrespective of whatever you are writing in a program, compiler or interpreter is responsible to convert. Am I crystal clear? Yes or no? So minimum 8 bits. Minimum 8 bits. Sir, what is the proof, sir? Okay. Let me open up a calculator. I'll tell you. I'll tell you why we did with 2. I'll tell you. Okay. Now programmer's calculator. Now what we have saw just now 47. Now you observe here. What is this? Okay, I'll magnify it for you. What is that number? Actually, 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1. Yes, yes or no? Now we did that only, no? మనకి అదే వచ్చిందా? Why we got? Because it is a which number? It is a binary number. It is which number? Binary number. Understanding? Minimum. It did not stop at 6, no? It gave you minimum 8. What I told you, minimum 8 it will give you. I told you or not? Minimum 8 bits. 8 bits means how much? 8 bit means 8 bits means 1 byte. So we got how much? We got 1 byte. So 1 byte means how much, sir? 1 byte means how much? 1 byte means 8 bits. Clear? Minimum 8 bits of memory is required for a computer to store. Minimum, I'm saying. Maximum 64. Java takes up to 64 bits. Yes? Okay. Now, how the arrangement is made, sir? The arrangement is made something like this. Memory arrangement should be there, no? What is the arrangement? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Using memory allocation. Index అని డైరెక్ట్గా చెప్పలేము. It is memory allocation. Means this unit or this bit. What is this? 0th bit, first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit, fifth bit, sixth bit, seventh bit. Yes. Now this 7 bits will have a range. Will have a range. Sir, how to take that range, sir? So that range and all we'll discuss at the time of data types. Okay. Now, for example, if that range increases, 7 bits won't be enough. Then I have to go for 16 bits. I mean, 8 bits won't be enough. Then I have to go for what? 16 bits. 2 power 8. Yes? Getting my point or not? So 2 power 8 and all we'll discuss later. We'll not confuse. Okay? So 8 bits is not enough for me. Then what I'll do? Powers you leave. Powers you leave. Powers will not talk now. We'll talk about it later. So if 8 bits are not enough, we will go to 16 bits. If 16 bits are not enough, we will go to 32 bits. If 32 bits are not enough, we will go to 64 bits. Why, sir? Every time you are doubling, okay. Now your phone, we started with 1 GB memory, then 2 GB memory, then they say 4 GB memory, then they say 8 GB, then they say 16 GB. Never you heard something like 18 GB? Have you ever heard? Always one, two, four, it gets double, double, double. Yes or no? This is also as simple as that. If 8 bits are not enough, how much I have to accommodate? 16. If 16 not enough, 32. 32 not enough, 64. Stop. Is that clear? Our RAM also. RAM also that one, So 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB. Sir, 3 GB RAM is also there. No, 3 GB RAM is also there. They'll make two slots. Now his computer is 6 GB. So what they did, they made two slots, 4 GB, 2 GB. There will be two slots. If that is an even number, okay, right, more than one. If that is odd number, what they will do, they will make two slots. They'll make two slots. Yes or no? Getting my point or not? So that is why they say 6 GB expandable. What is that expandable means? That 6 GB. I mean that 2 GB they'll take off and they'll keep 4 GB RAM. Expandable only, no? Hope you're understanding my point. So they'll say 6 GB expandable. It is expandable? Because that 2 GB RAM they'll take off and they'll keep 4 GB RAM. Now it becomes 8 GB RAM. Yes or no? Expandable means the slots they'll give, that's it. You're understanding or not? So your faces are in full confused state. Why I don't know. Am I clear or not? Yes? Okay. So what I'm talking about? I'm talking about memory allocation of a byte. Where it started? It started at 0 and it came to up to 7. Now this 0 is known as the least significant bit. What is this known as? Least significant bit. Okay. And what is this 7 known as? 7 is known as most significant bit. 7 is known as what? Most significant bit. Is that clear? Most significant bit. What is this last I mean, most significant bit and also most significant bit? It depends on your number. If the number is positive, this will be 0. If the number is negative, it will be 1. Am I clear? Yes or no? If the number is positive, it will be 0. If the number is negative, it will be 1. Yes? So, most significant bit means positive means 0, negative means 1. Now, just now I told you, we can have up to 64 bits also. Now, let's say 7 minus. Now, see how it increased? It increased up to some 64 bits. And what is the last one? 1. Why 1? Negative. Now, for example, minus 8. Okay. Minus 78. Again, what is there? 1. Okay. Now, minus 789. So, that also is 1. So, what will happen at the end of the day? If this bit is 0, it will be a positive number. If that bit is 1, it will be a negative number. Yes or no? Am I clear? So how to convert the negative numbers and all we will talk about. We'll talk about it bitwise operators again. Sir, why sir we are discussing all this mathematics and everything? Every computer programmer should know this, according to me. So if a computer program who don't know this, so they will be lacking behind when they are allocating the memory and all. So in real time, you need to work with memory also sometimes. So at that time, if you don't have this knowledge, it will be difficult for you. Getting my point? Yes? Okay. Now what I'm talking about at the end of the day, I'm talking about 1 byte. Okay, sir, 1 byte, sir. If it is 1024 bytes, how much it is? It is 1 kilobyte. It is what? 1 kilobyte. So if it is 1024 bytes, how much it will be? It will be 1 kilobytes. Am I clear? Yes or no? So if it is 1024 bytes, how much it will be? 1 kilobyte. So we say KB. We say, I'm sending you notes now. So that notes is in KB. The notes will be in KBs. Your programs, KBs. Yes? Okay. Sir, same like that. 1024 KB. How much, sir? 1 MB. Megabyte. What is this? Megabyte. Understanding? So 1 megabyte. And now internet also they'll say MB, right? So that is actually megabit. That is not megabyte. That is what? Megabit. Megabit means 1000 bits. It is 1000 bits, not 1000 bytes. Yes or no? Understand my point? Megabits. Always they'll say MB only. Or what is the full form of that? The full form of that is MB, megabit. Understanding my point? Okay. Now 1024 MB, 1 gigabyte. So when you buy the computer, they'll be talking about this GB only. 320 GB hard disk. Okay, 128 GB SSD. What is GB? 1 GB means 1 gigabyte. 1 gigabyte. So 1024 MB is 1 gigabyte. MB means our songs. 3 MB, 4 MB songs, 5 MB songs. Right? Now, nowadays we are not storing, but still. Understanding? Okay. Then 1024 GB. How much? 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte. So terabyte means what? TB. Terabyte means TB. TB means terabyte. Okay. So 1 TB hard disk. TB also nowadays TB also is coming. Yes, 1 terabyte hard disk. So next again 1024 terabytes, 1 zettabyte. 1024 zettabytes, 1 petabyte. So like that it goes on. Yes, memory will go on, no problem. Am I crystal clear? So this is the memory hierarchy that everyone should know. Yes? Okay. Now whatever program you are writing, that will go into this kind of memory only. But minimum it starts from where? Minimum it starts from bit. One bit. One bit is either 0 or 1. 0 means bit. 1 means bit. Yes or no? So like that 8 bits will give you what? 1 byte. 8 bits will give you what? 1 byte. Program memory will be in bytes only. It will not be in 1024. I'm not talking about files. I'm talking about internal memory. Internal memory will be in bytes only. Clear? Hope your understanding is clear. So whenever you are talking about Java, Java is a high level language. It is developed on the basic character set and it must be converted into machine language using compilers or interpreters. Now coming back to your question. You asked me, sir, do I need to convert everything by, everything I need to divide by 2 only? So the answer for this question is there are 4 types of numbers, binary numbers, I should say. Okay, there are 4 types of binary number. Okay, I should not use this word binary, otherwise it will be confusing. But still, why I'm saying this here is system can convert that into any type. Okay, now for example, going back to your school days, there you used to say base 2 numbers. What are base 2 numbers? Base 2 numbers means base 2 numbers means exactly. So this we learn in childhood or not? Base 2, base 10, base 8, base 16. Base 2 means the numbers formed by the numbers formed by the numbers formed by 0 and 1. Numbers formed by 0 and 1. Just now you have seen one number. Okay, let me write one more number. So 110, 1100. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now tell me, how can I convert this into base 10? We have converted base 10 to base 2. How, sir? How you did? Now I said 47. No, what is 47? The numbers that are formed by 0 to 9. The numbers that are formed by 0 to 9. 10. Base 2 means 2 only. What are they? 0 and 1. Base 10 means 0 to 9. Base 8 means 0 to 7. Sir, 47 is from 0 to 7 only, no? But we did not say it is base 8 number. Yes? Okay, we'll know the difference, don't worry. You understanding? Then what are base 16 numbers? 0 to 9 and A to F. 0 to 9 and A to F. Getting my point? Yes or no? So 0 to 9 and A to F. So whenever I'm saying binary, this is binary. This is decimal. This is octal. This is hexadecimal. Understanding? This is childhood stuff. I'm not talking about engineering mathematics also. So we have four types of numbers. What are they? Binary numbers, decimal numbers, octal numbers, and hexadecimal numbers. Binary means the numbers that are found by the combination of 0 to 1. Okay. Now base 10, the numbers that are formed by the combination of 0 to 10. Okay. Let's do this. 001, 0001101. Sir, how this is converted into binary? Okay, already we know that we can make sections 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yes. Now this number actually is taken as 2 to the power of 7 into 0, plus this number is taken as 2 to the power of 6 into 0. This number is taken as 2 to the power of 5 into 0. The next number is taken as 2 to the power of 4 into 1. Next number is taken as 2 to the power of 3 into 1. Next number is taken as 2 to the power of 2 into 0. Next number is taken as 2 to the power of 1 into 1. Next number is taken as 2 to the power of 0 into 1. Now 2 to the power of 7 into 0 is how much? 0 only. Anything to the power of 7 into 0 means it is 0 only. So we will take it off. We will take it off. We'll take it off. Now 2 to the power of 4, how much? 16. 16 into 1? 16 plus 2 to the power of 3? 8. 8 into 1? 8. 2 to the power of 4? This also 0. We can take it off. 2 to the power of 1? 2. 2 into 1? 2. 2 to the power of 0? 1. 1 into 1? 1 only. So how much? 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 2, 26, 27. Okay. Let's check. 27. 27. So see what is 27 according to us. Correct? Yes or no? Is that clear? So how much is this value? 27. Correct? Understood the points? Yes or no? So what we have done here? We have converted binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. Yes? Okay. You also observed somewhere here 33 and 1b. What is this, 33 and 1b? Now let's convert this into octal. 27. Now you tell me how to convert this into octal. Divide by 8. Now you got your answer. Why we divided by 2? Why we divided by 2? To convert decimal into binary. I've divided by 2 because I've converted decimal into binary. Decimal to binary means only you need zeros and ones. When you divide any number by 2, you will either get a 0 or 1. That's it. Yes. Now I want what? Octal. Now what I will do? I will divide by 8. If you divide by 8, you will get you will get the numbers between 0 and 7 only. You will not get more than that. Yes or no? You take anything. So if you divide a number by 8, you will get a remainder from 0 to 7 only. If you are dividing by 10, you will get the remainder from 0 to 9 only. If you are dividing by 27, you will get the remainder between 0 to 26 only. If you are dividing a number by 27, what remainder you will get? You will get the remainder between 0 to 26 only. Yes or no? I'll tell you. That also I'll tell you. So 8, tell me, what is this number? 8, 3s are 24. 3 and 3. Yes. Now what is this number? Tell me. 33. Okay. So here, as it is octal number, you have to keep it 0. You have to keep it 0. Yes or no? So what is that number here? Tell me. 33. Got it? So 27 in octal form, how much it will be? 33. Is it clear? Okay. Now 27 in hexadecimal form. Sir, what is 27 in hexadecimal form, sir? Okay. Now 0 to 9. Why I did not say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15? I'll tell you. So 0 to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now for example, I'm dividing 27 by 16. 16 ones are 16. How much is remaining? 11 is remaining, no? Okay. Now how you will write this? 1, 1, 1. If you write 1, 1, 1, so generally if you convert back, you have to get 27, no? Okay. Now I have to convert by 16 to the power of 0, 16 to the power of 1, 16 to the power of 2. Yes. So 16 to the power of 0 is how much? 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. 16 to the power of 1 how much? 16. 16 into 1 how much? 5 minutes. 16 to the power of 1 how much? 16. So 16 into 1 how much? 16. 16 to the power of 16 how much? 256. So 256 into 1. So how much is the number? 256 plus 16 plus 1. Is it 27? Now you understood? So now this is actually A, B, C, D, E, and F. So instead of this, I have to write B. I have to write what? B. Now see what happens. 16 to the power of 0, 16 to the power of 1. 16 to the power of 0, how much? 1. 1 into B plus 16 to the power of 1, how much? 16. So 16. 16 plus 1 into B. 1 into B, how much? B, how much? 11, no? 1 into 11, how much? 11. So what is the answer? 16 plus 11. Got it? Now you understood? Now you understood why not 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15? Now you understood? Hmm. So you cannot take 1 0. 1 0 means the memory will allocate two different shades. So memory should allocate only one shade. B means 11 means you are getting a reminder 11 means you are getting a reminder 11 means it is B actually. It is B. So B can be right away converted into 11. Understanding? Okay. So we will take more examples because I think you are still not in what do you say in the class mode. Okay. So you are still in Sunday, I guess. Especially you are confused. I don't know why. అర్థం కాలేదా? Your concentration is not there. Okay, so tomorrow we'll discuss it back again. No problem. Okay, so we'll discuss it. It is very important. Okay, thank you.